Are you missing the classic look of eBay? Even with all the updates in 2025, there are still ways to bring back that familiar, old school interface. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch eBay back to classic view step by step. First, head over to My eBay. From there, navigate to the selling section. Keep your eyes on the top right corner. You should see an option that says Opt out of Seller Hub. Click that, and just like that, you'll be transported back to the classic eBay view you've known and loved for years. If you want a faster route, there's a handy shortcut. Just type ebay.com/mye/overview into your browser's address bar, and it will take you straight to the classic interface. It's simple, quick, and perfect for those who prefer the familiar layout. Now, a quick heads up. eBay is gradually phasing out the classic view, so eventually the Seller Hub will become the standard for everyone. But for now, these tips give you a sense of continuity and make navigating the platform easier. Bookmark the page or add it to your favorites so you can switch back anytime you want. By following these steps, you'll be navigating eBay with confidence, whether you're selling strategically or just browsing comfortably. A few small adjustments can make a big difference and bring a little nostalgia back to your online shopping experience. So give it a try, enjoy the classic view while it lasts, and stay ahead of the changes coming to eBay in 2025.